When it comes to your company's bottom line, S&OP is king. It's strategy, it's execution, it's the very future of your company. The question is, does your decision-making process match your vision? Suppose you want to enter a new market, and you're deciding between adding 2 new production lines or reorganizing a plant. How do you know what's best? Or say, you've just discovered that your unconstrained demand is many times larger than what you can produce. How do you maximize capacity utilization and capture the most value? These are complex, high-stakes questions that business leaders face every day. What is the cost of each decision? It could be in the millions, or it could be nothing. But what's surprising is that when it comes to a critical process like S&OP, where forecasts drive revenues, and where data can be overwhelming, little is done to find the optimum solution. So, what is the ROI of an optimal S&OP process? Performance. Realize a significant reduction in costs and an increase in sales, plus lower safety stock and inventory levels, giving you a boost of 3% on average to your bottom line in as little as 6 months from going live. Visibility. Simulate multiple scenarios to maximize returns, and see the impact of every decision on your KPI and operations in minutes. Speed. Implement your S&OP solution quickly and on budget, with the backing of Quintiq's global presence and unique project lifecycle methodology. The path to the highest and fastest ROI is clear. With Quintiq S&OP, beat your budget, surpass your goal.